Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Kick It or Fix It Garage. Today's episode is going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to put it into the title, so it's going to be a surprise for you. I know what it is, so see if you know what it is. It is Corvette related. So let's get to unboxing. It's a box in a box. One box. Oh, first off, this is a totally separate video. That's a reed valve that goes to my air compressor. So we'll do that in another video. We'll set this to the side. And another box. Sneak peek hint. So U-Power. That might have given it away. Oh, those are nice. Those are nice. It's got nice welds on them. Going to be a 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch. Let's open the other one. I'll open this one upside down. They're really nice welds. These are heavy. Stainless steel. Get my fingerprints all over them. Put my fingerprints all over them. Yes, I did. I'm gonna polish them up anyway. So, going on to the back of the vette. Whoa! Yeah. There you have it. There you have it. 2 U-Power quad exhaust tips. Going on the back of the vette tomorrow. I've already done the muffler delete. Watch that video. Yeah, I guess I can make a video of me installing these. I guess, you know, I'm gonna be installing these with a flux welder. Let's see how good that works. So yeah, stay tuned to the next video, and we'll put these puppies on the vette. Stay tuned for my next video. Like and subscribe, please. I'll try to get this up. I'm trying to get monetized. You know, I'm like really low. I only got like 47 subscribers. So you know, all your likes and subscribes, especially your subscribes, can get me up there and get me to where I can put up a lot better content. You know, I'm just doing this on an Android phone. That's all my videos are on an Android phone. I got another video where was it slammed enough. Most of them are on a phone until it went dead. And then I have what is the name of that camera? A Mobius camera. It's a little bitty thing that I put on my airplanes when I fly. So all my battery on my equipment and my phone went dead and all that stuff. But I happen to have a fully charged, it's USB charging anyway, a fully charged USB Mobius camera that I put on my remote control jets and fly. But I use them to film a lot of, well, not a lot, but you know, a good substantial footage on the Slammed Enough 2024 in Gatlinburg. So I'll upload those videos pretty soon when I get to editing them. Alright, stay tuned to the next video. Please like and subscribe. Get me up there where I can get monetized. I got a long way to go, so hope you enjoy this content. Until next time, see you next time on the next video.